Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday and I am Damaris. If you're just joining me, thank you so much for joining me. If you have been following me all this time, thank you so much for coming back. I know it's been a moment, but I am working on a few things, including my own homestead and my own business. So yeah, things are coming up pretty soon. In the meantime, I do have some small DIYs and I do have plenty of goodies that are coming to share with you guys. Spending is a little sparser than I'd like it to, but I figured I'd start with a small DIY that I found was pretty pleasing for me. So I got these little Buddha heads from the dollar store, and they were in the cement blue color, and I did not like them in that color, so I never really hung them up. But I like the Buddha heads, and I didn't know what I was really going to do with them. So I kind of spray painted one in gold just to kind of see what I wanted, and I figured not really what I wanted to go for, so I figured I'd try painted it in this acrylic black paint that I was just holding up. Now the gold seemed to set in just fine. I'm not saying that I don't like it, it's just that the look that I'm going for, the end result, I'm just wondering if that's going to work. But I think that what I figured is that I would try and paint one black to see how I feel about the black and the gold, and then I will just paint the other ones, you know, all the colors I decide. So the first thing I did, obviously you want to lay something down so you don't get paint all over the place. Just a small container with some water, just one of my regular normal paint brushes, and I use this acrylic paint that I got from the dollar store, and it is a glossy finish. It's actually the same paint that I used for the haunted house video that I posted in October. So it's pretty simple to use. The surface for the Buddha heads were not slick or needed to be primered or anything like that, so I just kind of put some paint on it and went to town. So after the paint dried, pretty good. I love it. The glossy finish was a perfect choice, I think, for these small pieces. Again, they're not very big at all, and they're just going on a scattered type of French gallery type of wall. The wall will be all black and a matte satin. So I think that this would look really good. More than likely go to next to like a sconce of flowers in between larger photos or pictures, things like that. So not bad. I am definitely leaving all three. So that's it. This is just a quick upgrade, if you will, DIY using just some regular black acrylic paint. Nothing special. You know, nothing special needed to be done. That's pretty much it. You guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. I will be back with more, so hang in there with me. And thank you so much again for being with me this evening. This is Damaris Everyday. I am Damaris, and enjoy.